In the bustling warehousing and logistics transportation centers, look out! A vehicle coming out of nowhere at the turn. Persistently high costs of cargo damage and accidents, and lingering workplace safety hazards that are hard to eliminate. How can forklift operations be made faster, more precise, and safer? STONKAM Forklift AI Wireless Monitoring System is designed for efficient and accurate operations. Equipped with a high-definition wireless magnetic camera, it enables drivers to monitor real-time dynamics around the vehicle, expands the driver's field of vision, and significantly reduces visual blind spots. Paired with a laser positioning camera, it requires no drilling or wiring, allowing for portable installation. With a built-in laser positioning line, the system provides high-precision real-time monitoring of the forklift's working area ahead. During forklifting and lowering, it performs real-time pallet detection. Combined with preset pallet calibration lines, it actively prompts the driver to adjust the fork position relative to the pallet openings, helping drivers precisely control fork movement and prevent cargo damage. The laser positioning line also alerts pedestrians to yield at corners, enhancing safety awareness. Built tough to withstand complex working environments,